Okay, so good morning everyone. So in our last three videos we have done like 20 MCQ from this practicepaper.com and .in, sorry. So it's GATE CSE regular expression, we was doing that, and we have done 20 of 20 question, and I think we are left with 10 or maybe less or more, let's see. Okay, so let's start with this. And regular expression denotes the set of, okay, which one of these denote the this, right? So this regular expression make epsilon 0 1 and 101. Let's see which one of making this. So does it make epsilon? No, it's not making epsilon, or empty string, you can say that. So does this making any epsilon? It can make, but it's not making, right? Because we have 0 right here, so it's not making epsilon. Okay, this is also true, also wrong. So we will have this thing. Does it making epsilon? Yes, it's making 1. Yeah, it's making 1. It's making 0. Yeah, it's making 1. It's making 10. Yeah, it's making 10. So this should be the proper answer, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, now let's see. This is the most simple question I have ever seen in GATE exam. So they are just saying a plus a or b star star, right? So this star means equal to this star, so they both are same. So if we go with this, so these are same. Okay, next, does, okay, 1101 does not belong to the set. Which one of the regular expression does not belong to this, like which one of the regular expression doesn't have this thing, right? So we have to find doesn't have this thing, right? So this one have, this one also have, because 1101 we can see that without even trying to decode too much. Does it making 110? Yeah, it's making 110, because this one 1101 it's making, right? So yeah, 0011. Okay, so this is not making, right? And I think yeah, this is not making. Okay, so this question was MSQ. So there were two options, so these were the true. Okay, so okay, let's go with this. 0 1 plus 1 star and regular set be represented as 0 1 star 1 star. Which one of the following regular is true? Okay, so we can have or this, right? So we can, here we can have this. Yes, we can have this or this, because we, if we want to pick 0 1, we can just pick this 0 1, right, and make this 1 0. So if want to make this pick this one 0, this one, so we can pick this one and make this 0, right? And if we want multiple of things, there is a star and this star, so these are equal. All right, so we got two question, and both are like this. They are just asking for they are equal or not. Let's go with 25 question. And which one of the following regular expression 0 denotes the 0 1 denotes the substring of all containing 100 subset? Okay, so actually I have seen this question before. So according to this statement, so I was picking only this statement, right? So according to this statement, which one of the answer was true? Let me go with this. Does it making 0 1? Oh, yeah, of course it's making, because we can pick this one and then we can pick 00. Done. Okay, so yeah, we can make this one, because this is 1 and 0, so yeah, it's making. They are asking substring, right? So it's making. Does it make? Okay, so this is not making, right? According to this description, like this just 100, right? This is not making. This can make, because we can pick this one or we can go with this 00, right? But this is going to be like, so this should be the answer, right? But answer is this, right? Because I checked from the GATE overflow, and they were asking like which one of accept the empty epsilon 1 0 and all these things. So this was the some issues I had with this language. So I think I didn't understand this language properly, so that's why we will check this later. So 25 question is pause, and if you know about this question and this language, make sure you will comment about that and tell me what is the reason or we are accepting this, or you can just use telegram to drop a message, and this will help me a lot, and other students as well. So let's go with the next question. Which one of the following for regular expression are equal to epsilon? Okay, so this means empty string. Okay, this is also very simple, right? So according to this, which one of the making which are equal, right? So we have to pick two of them, right? Let's go with this one. It's making epsilon. Yeah, it's making epsilon because I have this is also making epsilon, this is also making epsilon. This is not making empty string, we can say epsilon empty string. So we are removing this fourth. So we have with this fourth, so remove this. We got three options. Okay, next go with which one of the making 0 1 0 single zero, right? We can say that 1 0 is like 1 0, so we are saying single zero. So this is making single zero because we have this single zero. This is also making single zero. Okay, so this is not making single zero, right? So we have 1 and 3 equals. So yeah, we have 1 and 3 equal. Yeah, this is pretty simple. Okay, so I have seen this question multiple times. I think this is the third time and this was the answer all the time, right? Because according to this letter, we should have one letter followed by letter or any number of digits. So this is the answer. I think we have seen this question in ISRO 2. I think there was two question like that, and this is the third question, same ditto question, right? And maybe I'm wrong, but this I think this is the third question we have seen this, or maybe this this website is just repeating three times or maybe two times, because I think one is this and another is also from GATE some year, and one is ISRO. So this is the third one. So maybe this is repeating by mistake, or maybe this is the reason. Okay. Okay, so this is also interesting. So this is not equal because it can create SR. It's not creating SR because, right? So because here we can have S before R, but here we can't have S before R, right? And if we see this, which one of this is not true, right? We can either have R or we can either have S, right? So I am saying this is equal. This is not equal because this is the same thing, right? So we will continue, and I think I have this. This should be the answer, but answer is this, right? Because I have done this question, and these are wrong. But let me see this. Why is this wrong? Because according to me, this should be working, because we can have either R. Here we also can either have R, or either we can have S, or either we can have S, and we have this brackets to make a star, so that any number of R or any number of S. So here are the same thing. So this should be the answer, because this is like normal star, like 1 2 3 4 n, and this is a power of n, which means it will exponentially expand, right? So if it's have 1, so next time it will have 2. Okay, next time it's 4, then 8, then 16, and all these things. So that's why this should not be the answer, this should be the answer. But let's see what other people and teachers say about that. Okay, so hands. Okay, so this is the same thing. All right, so okay, so they are saying a plus b and all this. Okay, they are using formulas. Okay, okay, a is the right answer. RHS sign is not making a reason, so LS generates stars, while second generate R come after S. Right hand can generate R before S. It's true, because we are creating this thing now. Let's see again. So right hand side generate any number of strings, right? All the strings, right? So right hand side, this is our right hand side. This can create any number of sequence. Okay, this can create any number of sequence. Okay, good. So and while left hand side generates strings, work R comes after S, right? So R come after S, right? Like SR, SRR, or SRR. Wait, what? I think we are missing something, or they are making something the issue. Can anyone explain the difference between right hands and option A? I don't get that difference. Okay, can I? Okay, okay, okay. All right. So if we see, there are some issues, right? So we can either have R or S, or yeah, yeah, okay, okay, I got that. If we make it 2, so we will having R or S, right? But we can have these any number of sequence, like we can have just R or S. We can just reverse that 1 and 4. So this should be the answer according to, if we are using this explanation. Okay, so 25 and 28 should be, in suspensions. So let's go with the next one. Okay, this is also very simple, but it's kind of kind of bit too much to remember, because this is one, and this will be the most powerful set, because it have like 1 1 or plus 0, so it can generate 1 as well as any number of 1 and zeros, right? So this could be the our second powerful, because it has a 1 star and 0, right? And then we have just 1 star and 0, right? So this should be the most powerful. So let's see which one will have the most powerful. So we have R. Okay, 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 this and this is also equal, right? So this is and equal to. Okay, so I think these two should be any, no, 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 not these two, but T. Okay, let's go with this R, right? R is the powerful set, so S and T. Okay, S should be the powerful set, then T. Okay, this L. uh, okay, okay, so S is the powerful set, then T. Okay, true. And S is the powerful, S is less powerful or equal to R. S is less powerful or equal to R, and L is less. Okay, okay, ठीक है, right, right. So we had just little bit in confusion, but we have miscalculation this signs. So these should be the answer. All right. So I'm seeing a few things like in GATE CSE 1992. Some most of the question of these are kind of like fuzzy kind of, right? I according to me, these are fuzzy, but because sometimes they make completely sense, or sometimes doesn't make, or maybe I don't know too much, so that's why I'm making these kind of assumptions. But in 90 before 2000, there the GATE exam was like kind of you can understand. um so yeah, we are done with this. So if we have few question like 28 and 25, and I'll make sure to research for that, and let me I'll tell you people what was the research fruit I got, and maybe that will help me in upcoming exams, sorry, upcoming GATE especially exam. Yeah, exam will be conducted multiple times, um, like PSU and all these things. So we are done with this. So next we have regular expression, and I think I have seen this. So we are only have 10. So I should make another video about what is regular grammar, and in this regular grammar we will having like few things, and then we'll start with this thing, right? So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching me.